Hi everyone, in this video I show you how you can download the Qucs software. So in the last video I show you the simple quiz software. So what is the difference? That's the biggest question arise in our mind. The quiz GI, but replacing the backend with the spy simulators, it's called the Qucs software. Okay, and what's the benefit? It's mean it can run the spice netlist, giving access to many more device models and accurate results. Now, these are the key difference between the quiz and Qucs software which the ChatGPT generated. So if you want to be read it out, then just pause this video and do it. Now we start the downloading step. So in the first step we need this link in the description. That link is there. You just click on it and you launch this web page. Here you need to be find out the latest model right now, 25.2.0. Maybe it's changed according to the time, and now there is the window portable package, this one, and that's .zip file. Simply click on this link. Your downloading is start. I already done the downloading. Then I show you how we can run it. That's the software which I right now downloaded for the Qucs 25.2.0. Now we need to be extracted here. So after extracting, simply open it, go into the bin and scroll down, and this one Qucs file, simply run it. So if you run that software first time, then they show you the one warning. You just be sure okay, because it's warning according to the location. Okay, and then that's the software. So you can simply select the component here, and here we can choose the components, we can do the wiring, we can simulate it. So I hope so you find out how you can download the Qucs software. So if you want to be download the simple quiz software, then go into the previous video, or maybe link in the description also, so you can check it out how you can download and install it. So in the last, if you want to be make the shortcut on the desktop, then simply make a shortcut. Now in that way, that's the shortcut created on the desktop, and you can access it through your desktop. So I hope so you like this video. Please share with your friend which want to be download the Qucs software, and I see you in the next one.